Hey y'all, welcome to our Street Sense group chat.
We post daily videos making money stuff make sense.
Yes, and one thing we have learned while doing this job is how many inflated claims there are on the internet.
Inflated claims is a rather diplomatic way to say that.
How do I put this? Misinformation, people promoting things that they have clearly not tested or tried.
Lies.
Absolute cap.
Big ones.
Like, fully.
And the headlines and hooks, I mean, they're appealing.
Yeah.
Make $5,000 a month extra as a teen.
But when we actually try and make said $5,000,
Well, this.
Let me show you how to make an extra $5,000 per month as a teen. No money needed to start.
Okay, hold on. He's saying that all I have to do is write a children's book, get it illustrated, and then sell it on Amazon. About that. People make actual careers out of writing children's books. We tried and wrote a book about a hippo and shoes, and it's not good. Genuinely. At best, it rhymes. Next, he said to hire a kid's book illustrator from Fiverr.
You will see dozens of amazing graphic designers that are willing for less than $7 to illustrate your kid's book.
We couldn't find anyone to illustrate an entire book for that cheap. We hired one illustrator and got ghosted, which wasted a whole 2 weeks. Then we got someone else and ended up paying $127.95 for these pages. And we added the text in Canva.
Finally, you gotta go to kdp.amazon and they will walk you through the process of uploading your new book.
Again, easier said than done. That part was not fun and there is a lot of steps. Download Kindle Create, pick a category, add details, set a price, select a royalty structure. For every download, we'll make 35% of the list price, which is $1. That's the mid-rate suggested. At that rate, we have to sell 14,286 downloads to make $5,000 a month. We have to sell 386 just to break even, and that doesn't even include the time spent. So yeah, are we gonna hit these targets? I'll pin an update.
I don't think we've ever had a video with so many comments asking for an update.
yeah, this one had people activated.
Yeah, I mean, I get it. Someone was trying to make a side hustle out of something that people are passionate about as a career, so it's frustrating.
And people were pointing out that $5,000 is like basically a salary for a full-time job.
A good one.
Not a side hustle.
Yeah.
Indeed it is. So let's give everybody what they want.
Yes.
Oh.
The update.
Drum roll,
How many did
please.
you sell?
Okay, so as of today, which is about 2 weeks after we made that video, we have sold 0 copies. Like none. 0.
Amazing.
Yeah, shout out to my failures. We are still in the hole for $127.95.
Don't worry, you have 2 whole weeks to make that $5,000. You'll get there.
I have a better idea. Hang on.
This comment made me laugh. They caught something we kind of missed.
I mean, technically, he said you didn't need money to start.
Right, but halfway through we found out you needed money to finish.
Yeah.
Okay, listen to this.
Ooh.
What if you buy one of these snow shovels for 1/3 of what this experiment costs?
Okay.
And then you could start your own seasonal business, stop shoveling driveways.
Not bad.
I feel like a teen could make that money back real quick, plus profits.
I mean, it is physical labor, but I bet you could make some solid cash.
Yeah, and it's probably not that hard.
You should try it, crew.
I don't like snow that much, and good thing I have a full-time job.
I mean, I actually think that making an entire writing, illustrating, creating an entire children's book, and then selling it to make money, I think that's a little harder than shoveling a few driveways.
I would have to agree.
I think that's the thing. A lot of these fast money ideas require actual professional skills. It wouldn't really be something that you can just jump into and automatically make money.
that
Yeah,
makes sense.
very true. I had to debunk something too. This one wasn't necessarily targeted towards teens, but it did come across as easy.
Yeah, let's see how yours went.
$200 an hour. Can you speak English? Can you read? Go to Google search bar, go to acx.com.
I've actually used this site before. It helps people turn books into audiobooks. Next.
You're gonna go here, you're gonna search for a book to read. Check out this kid's book right here. It's 1 hour and it's $100 to $200 per finished hour.
Okay, here's the thing. This is the screen that needed more screen time. See here? You don't just get the job of recording an audiobook. You have to audition for the job, and that's at your own cost using your own equipment. Signing up for acx.com is simple using your Amazon account, but speaking as somebody who used to do this full time, I would do hundreds of auditions just to land one job. Authors put their heart and souls into their books. They're gonna want someone professional with good production skills to voice it. Fair enough. Most of the well-paying projects are also under a union contract, meaning they hire actors that are in that union. So yeah, if you like the idea of voice acting, audition for stuff. You should never have to pay to audition. Develop your talent, find your voice. Will you make $200 in an hour? Maybe, but only if or when you're the lucky and skilled one to get the gig. At least that's been my experience.
I mean, this was the most liked comment on the video, and I feel like it did sum up all of our thoughts.
Right?
Interesting how they tacked on influencer to that stigma.
Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of influencers who make things look way easier than they are.
Anisha, what's the hardest part about doing voice work?
Multiple takes. It's just the same thing over and over and over again. I don't know what my neighbors think of me, but probably something weird. Okay, let's leave the people with some practical tips when it comes to these get-rich-quick things.
Oh, I got one. If there's no proof that it's been tested or tried, head to the comment section, because that's where people are brutally honest about their experiences.
They keep it real.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Unless you're born into wealth, it's probably not gonna be easy to make a lot of money, so it takes work. You'll be fine.
That's a good one too. Third, lower your expectations. People love to exaggerate on the internet. It's probably not that deep
Yeah.
or that good.
So I feel like we covered everything and should probably get back to work.
Are we not working right now?
I mean, like,
We have
sort
some
of.
misinformation to battle.
Okay.
Let's find it.
She's right.
Thank you for joining us on the group chat.
We'll see you in the comments.
Say nice things. Bye.
Bye.